Welcome you absolute legends, I am Forti, I am Pete, I'm back. We're into June, and so that means I'll tell you what my pickups from May were. 10 here, all sorts of different things from cheapies to discontinued. I haven't got any clones in this one, some niche, yeah, and some oldies, and that's about it. But yeah, quite a lots of not normal stuff that normally would put, but I mean, that's life. I've got like 3 discontinued ones, some niche, like I say, and some that are getting a bit tricky to find, and a bit more unusual ones. So always 10 in here. Let's crack on and tell you what I picked up in the month of May. And also, it's in no particular order, so again, I'm just going to go through it one after another. Now, this first one is a discontinued one, and don't shoot the message. I think this is a great one. This is very Irresistible Light Intense from Givenchy. Now, Givenchy Very Irresistible is phenomenal. It's a beautiful, chocolatey, patchouli, sexy bombshell. Now, I'm just wondering if this is a female targeted one, but I don't care. I'll pick up, because look at the bottle. That bottle's quite cool, actually. I really like the bottle of these. I think they're very, very fun. Now, this could be a woman's one. I don't know, but I wanted it, so I bought it. So, I don't care. But let's see what it's like. Okay, it is very much on that chocolatey but florally vibe. It is, yeah, it's slightly more intense version of the one. And now I don't, like I say, this could be a woman's one, but like I say, I don't care. It is really nice. Touch of rose in here. I think there's some other florals in here. Does smell really nice. Still got that chocolatiness in it that brings it all together with the Givenchy Very Irresistible line. There's a few others that I want to get. There's a Very Irresistible summer one as well, which is in a green bottle. Really curious to get that one. But this one, nice little pickup. I think it was 100ml. No, 75ml bottle, and I've been wanting this for quite a while. So this one was a really good pickup for the month of May. This is Givenchy Very Irresistible Light Intense. Right, next one up, and this was as cheapy as anything. Unfortunately, the box did get slightly damaged on the way here, so it's not the perfect one. This is called Zara Green Savage, or Savage, I don't know. So again, I quite like Zara fragrance, I think they're quite fun. Ooh, now that is a nice green, so it goes blue into a nice green. So again, not really seeing what this is all about, but again, I don't really check things. I just look at them and say, I think I like, look at that. And so I buy it. Okay, this is a real herbal, fresh, slightly citrusy fragrance. And I'm getting, I think it's like a little bit of thyme or rosemary. Really nice fragrance, actually. And it's getting like strong with a slightly more florals than I think. And again, it's kind of like walking down a wood lane. Like again, it's the woods, and this. If you've ever been to woods and they've got slightly, and it's like slightly woody, lightly aromatic. That's kind of what this smells like. It's a nice little one. This one will be about 15 quid, 15, 20 quid. Again, the Zara fragrances aren't stupidly expensive, but this one's a nice one. I think this will be definitely worn in my summer. I love this one, and it's a real nice one. So this is Zara Man Green Savage. Right, so we go into the world of niche, and we go to the house of Labo, which I have not been visiting Labo in some time. And this one is number 46, and this is Vetiver. And again, I love a good Vetiver fragrance. So does Max Forte. He loves a good Vetiver fragrance, and so does Ashley with Jensen. So all of them are, well, should we like in this one? So I'm wondering if it's going to be grassy or whether it's going to be smoky. It's kind of both. It's a grassy, slightly smoky, slightly floral composition. This is probably more spring and fall weather. I think this is going to be too much for the summer, which that's fine. I mean, I've only got a couple more months to wait till we're into autumn, which is fine. Yeah, it's a very, it's definitely got some smoke in this, and it's a really nice one. I'm just wondering how well it's going to perform, which is going to be interesting. Yeah, it's a really good one from Labo. I mean, they do some quality stuff. I've got quite a few of them now. If you want me to, let me know in the comments if you want me to talk about the House of Labo, because I haven't talked about that one for a while. So, but this one the Vetiver 46, and that was my next one. Right, my next one up, and this is the 4th one in this month. And again, it's another house I've not been to in some time. And this is from the Banana Republic. This is 90 Pure White. Now, I'm hoping this is like a light floral, fun, easy to wear fragrance. So the bottles always look pretty much the same. Presentation, I have to say the boxes do look very nice, even though I don't care about them. But I will say Banana Republic, because they're cheap and they do a nice job of that. So I'm dropping stuff over. Right, let's see what this is all about. Yeah, it's kind of reminds me of Prolon, but not as heavy on the iris. It does have that clean, soapy, sexy vibe. Again, you can wear this anytime, any place you want, but I do think it'll work very well in the summer. It is absolutely lovely, I think. I think it's got quite a few florals, very fresh, easy to wear, maybe a touch of lavender in here as well. It is a great little number, and this was about 22, if I'm guessing right. But they come up to about 30 quid, and even at 30 quid for this, I think it's a good deal. This is Banana Republic 90 Pure White. Right, next one up, and again, this is another one that I haven't really got into the house that much. It's Dsquared, and this is a green one, and again, this one ran me about 20 quid. So again, I'm trying new houses that I haven't really explored too much, or I've not been around for a while. So these ones are all pretty woody. This is a quite woody herbal one with rosemary, probably a bit of cedar, little touch of sandalwood. It's very nice actually. I think it's better for fall winter time, which is fine. I think Dsquared do get a bit of a bad reputation, but I do think they smell quite nice. They're easy, aromatic, woody, masculine fragrances. Anyone can pull these ones off. So again, I don't have a problem with these. I think I'd say it'd be better for the whole demographic from 25 upwards might prefer this. But overall, I think it's a nice little one. For the price, I'm not going to complain. If I get about 6 to 7 hours off my skin, I'm going to be happy with that. So this is Dsquared Green Wood. Right, I've just counted up. I've actually got 6 more, so I did 11 this month. So again, I'm going to go for this one next, and this is from the house of Calvin Klein. This is Eternity Summer. This is a 2017 release. Obviously, this one again doesn't cost too much money. I think this ran me about 30 quid. Oh, again, lovely gradient. I love the gradient bottles. I don't know why. I just think they look really, really nice. So this goes from blue to a nice orangey, ambery colour. Very nice. Oh, I can't pick up the tester strip. How rubbish. Okay, so this is almost like, it's a fresh one, but quite heavy on the slight, like orangey notes, like tangerine or mandarin orange. It's very nice, very playful. Perfect for summer, which is again what it says on the bottle. So it's a definite summertime fragrance, definitely a casual fragrance. Anyone can pull this one off. I don't care how old you are. If you want to get an easy, fun fragrance, the Calvin Klein Eternity line is a decent line to go into. Yeah, touch of florals in here as well, which again, nothing overbearing. It's not like it's a powerhouse, it's too much florals. But me, I'm thinking about going to the beach with this, having a bit of fun, chilling out. That's what I think of this one. Great little number. So this is Calvin Klein Eternity Summer from 2017. Right, the next one up, and this is from a house I've never, ever gone to. So this is an English house from London, and it's called Suuna, and this is called Victory. Now, Suuna is an affordable niche house. Sometimes you see it all over Facebook and stuff like that. And this is called Victory. So this will run me about 40 quid. So the bottle looks like this. Very nice bottle. Again, didn't really check much on it. There's a few from this house I'd like to try, but this is the first one. Nice bottle. It's a little bit, it smells a bit like it's got some oud in here, but it's quite a fun oud. This isn't for the faint heart. This is more for the people who've been around fragrances for a while. Quite woody, very aromatic, but quite heavy. I do think it's more fall and winter, and it's going to be for 30s and plus. And now the herbalness is coming out. It's like almost like some rosemary that's punching through now. Really nice one, actually. I think if you're dressing this one up, that's probably the best way to do this. Getting colder day, I think this as well will be really nice. I think the initial first blast was only like a temporary thing, so don't get worried about that. But it's getting a bit more cleaner. I think it's because it was the initial first blast, but yeah, it's smelling nicer and nice. And it's just like the first 30 seconds to a minute, probably even 30 seconds, it's quite like, ooh. But then when you let it calm down, it smells a lot nicer. I'd like to know how it performs on my skin, but this is a really interesting one. From the house of Suuna Musk, this is Victory. Right, next one, this came out in 2021, and this was a discontinued gem. And this was a collaboration with another YouTuber from Chris from Fragmental. This from Terrace Hughes, this is Smoulder. So again, this one, the new bottles, and I was really wanting to get hold of this because I do like Terrace Hughes briefs. I think they're very well done, very popular, and I think this one was one I really wanted to get. The bottle's like this, and so I wanted to do this test run. Okay, so it's slightly fruity, but it's still got, it reminds me of one of the other ones. I think it's more like Daddy. It's very woody, very aromatic, touch of like fruitiness, like almost like a cherry vibe. Now I haven't checked the full note breakdown. Wow, that's a statement maker. That is, you wear this to say I'm here. This is not a, oh well, I'm just gonna wear a casual. Nah, this is a big boy fragrance. I was lightening up a little bit now. It is a very nice fragrance. I'd like to know a bit more about the note breakdown of this one, but again, I'd say fall and winter. This one will be definitely something I'm going to be wearing. So this is from Fragmental and Terrace Hughes. This is Smoulder. Right, last three, and this next one is a discontinued one. I know this from Joy Min, who's an absolute legend in my books. He's been around the game for years, and I respect him a lot. So this one, the house of Geoffrey Beene, this is bowling green, and this is the reason I got this, because of Joy. He's never really got me wrong, so Joy, this one's for you, mate. Oh, right, okay. It actually smells like a bowling green. It's fresh, it's got light florals, touch of citrus in here. Oh, that's really nice. Because I've had another one from Geoffrey Beene, and it was great flower, and I didn't like it at all. It was just too much oak moss. It smelled like a wet forest. Didn't like it. But this one, I can get behind this one. It's very nice, very clean, very refreshing. Touch of Vetiver in here as well. Yeah, very classy fragrance. Amazing little number. I'm glad I picked it up. I think I paid for about 40, 50 quid, something like that. If you find it for that price, that's a pickup and a half. So Bowling Green by Geoffrey Beene is my next one. Right, second to last one, and I've been in this house as well, and this is Roja Parfums. This is Parfum Cologne. This is Danger. Trying to get this out. So everyone knows what they look like. Love the bottles. I think they look ace. So I haven't bought any Roja Parfums in quite a while, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to treat myself, because why not? Oh, this is a fresh, kind of zingy kind of fragrance. It's not like Enigma Parfum Cologne. It's more subtle than that. Parfum Cologne is very zingy. It's very punchy off the top, but this one's a bit more subtle. Almost like a fruity, fun fragrance. Do you know what? I'm just going to check the notes for this one because I'm really not sure which one it is. Right, so the note I couldn't quite wet my nose on is tarragon. There's some clove, some vanillic notes in here. Very nice fragrance. Again, I'd wear this in the summertime quite happily. Great little number. And so another one from Roja Parfums. This is Danger Parfum Cologne. Right, last but not least, I went into a house of Mugler, who's going to just brought out a new Amin line. New one for the Amin line is Hip in the Ties. But this one's Fly Away. This one's from the last lot of briefs they did. I've got one other from this line, so I can't remember if this is the old Klein, but again, bottle like this. I think it's a 100ml bottle. Let me just quick look. Yeah, 100ml. So again, and this wasn't too expensive. This was about 40 quid. Atomizer's decent. Oh. So it's gone with like a very citrus flavored fragrance, but it's still got something in there that's a little bit more. It's pushing it. It's definitely got just some woody notes to this. Again, I would probably more likely to wear this in spring and fall because I just feel like that's where I'd wear it the most. But it's an interesting one. I'd be like to know how long this performs as well on my skin. Again, very interesting fragrances I picked up in the month of May. Not your typical things. In the month of June, I'm looking to get more clones and some more new releases. And if there's anything else that you want me to try and find, let me know. But this was my last one from May. Mugler Cologne, Fly Away. Right, so there you have it. My pickups from the month of May. Really unusual ones. Not your typical things that you're going to find on most people's. Like most people go for the new release, all that stuff. I've gone completely mad and I've gone like for different things. So there you go. And it's always now time to tell you what my scent of the day is. Right, my scent of the day, and it's a classic from 2016 if I remember correctly. I had to go with this one, a bit of Versace Dylan Blue, and I've got like half a bottle left, so I kind of need to get a new bottle of this. It's an unboxing bombshell, it's a compliment monster, and quite frankly, I love it. It's a great blue fragrance with a little touch of incense in here, great little number. So as always, let me know in the comments what your scent of the day is, but mine for today, a compliment monster, this is Versace Dylan Blue. Right, so there you have it, my pickups for the month of May. As always, let me know in the comments, what do you like, what do you don't want, what do you just want to talk about it more. As always, I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Perfume with Rose. I am posting more often than not. Links are in the bio if you want to know. Also, excuse me, if you want a top 10 list, a phrase review or a question, hit me up in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to post up every single day now, so I'll put up daily content for you as much as I can. There might be the odd time where I can't, but overall I'll be posting more often than not. And as always, you absolute legends smell amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.